Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable notification permissions for X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to stay informed about what matters most to you. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Next, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Right next to the web address, you'll see an icon labeled View Site Information. This icon often looks like a small padlock or a circle with an eye in it. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for X. Now locate the section labeled Notifications. You'll see an option next to it. This is where you can control whether X is allowed to send notifications to your desktop. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Allow. Once you've made this change, close the Settings tab and refresh the X website. Congratulations! Notifications are now enabled, and you'll start receiving updates directly from X. By following these quick steps, you'll never miss important updates or alerts again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.